etc. We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If we refer to our analysis, we mentioned how we can look for trade, but as we can see, even we mentioned if there is a continuation as a corrective, we cannot look for trade. Okay, as we can see, the waves move is really corrective. That's why we cannot get any, and we couldn't get any trade setup unless we trade based on lower time frame. And as we can see, the price almost near to the what we were expected. All right, by the way, we didn't have any trade setup, and in this case we start with a higher time frame. We start with daily chart. The only thing is we want to see if we get a correction, we can look for continuation, but we can expect the price to consolidate here before we get the next move. In this case, we move to forward chart, and as we can see, based on forward chart, the waves moving is really corrective. Okay, mostly when we have this kind of the corrective move, we can get the sharp move, either the up or down, but mostly if we get here, we can expect the price to give us one more drop. All right, what I want to say is that if there is a continuation similar to what we have here, mostly we cannot expect to get the proper trade setup for buy. Okay, either we wait for the price to drop, still we can look for this flat, internal flat before we get the next move, or at least we get the proper correction here. Okay, anyway, we need to get the trade setup and the correction. As what we can see based on 1 hour chart, we don't have any trade setup, and right now we cannot jump into the trade. And the best thing is if we get the correction here. All right, rather than that, we cannot jump into the trade. We cannot uh, buy or sell right now because we don't have any trade set up right now. The best thing is we wait. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any trade set up, either for buy or sell, then I will give an update. And even if he wants to look for sell, we need to get at least a sharp move with a flag similar to what we have here. But mostly any sell we consider as a short term because we can expect to get the correction here before we get the reversal. Mostly we are more interested to look for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.